Alright everyone, so right now we're going to be building a new computer for the shop because this one, it's been good but it's old. I have all these parts and accessories right here. And then we have the builder, Will. He's going to be building it
with my hands.
with his hands.
Well, that's a carbon fiber thing over there. The X99A. It says carbon and it has carbon fiber parts inside, which it has to be good. The other thing right there is a fan with a light, and that's pretty badass. The top one right there above it, it says GeForce GTX 1080. You know what that means. So this goes inside one of those things to go fill in the other thing, and I guess it makes nice light effect and it reduces temperatures. That's a clickety clacker. It's colorful clickety clacker. Got lots of colors in it, and that's a clickety clacker partner. Goes right next to it.
Over here we have a lot of fans. We're so popular. We have a lot of fans. Number one fan. Fans. For this we got a touchscreen fan controller. Touchscreen. Fan controller. Touchscreen. Touch it. Oh, there's an Intel Core i7 6850K.
So what Johnny's showing you in the picture here is the box that holds all the stuff together. I think it's called like a tower or like a big box. What is it?
Computer box.
Computer box. So all the stuff is going in there.
Right now we're going to unbox the motherboard. That is beautiful. So this is the i7 6850. Look at that. We finally finished this computer. Sam, how do you feel?
Feels great, son.
How do you feel?
Good. A-okay. Thank you for including me in your build, guys.
You're welcome.
I had lots of fun.
You were a really important part.
Thank you.